cushion for the dog. So the dog also like a with the old couple. So the old couple when eating, I was telling you yesterday, the staple food of Japan is rice and fish. So they were giving all small pieces of fish to the dog. The dog enjoyed and was very fond of the old food. Okay. So dog foods, they were eating with dog, not with the hand, as we are eating. So in their country, the habit is to eat with chopsticks. So when you are eating chow or something outside, you might be using the chopstick. Okay. So blue bread means light in material of blue, which was used as a cushion for the dog. Okay, and boiled rice is wanted just treated as a dog protector. Locked is protector like twin business for. Twin means like a human child. Twin business for like a human child. Okay. Note down the word meaning. So again, for the recollection, I am telling this is a old Japanese story. At that time in Japan, they were there. Women in Greeks they were very powerful. So a couple means one wife and one husband lived there.
Your voice is low.
They were hardworking. Okay. They were hardworking. What happened? Mikey, you are listening or not? My Mikey job,
Sir, in
Sir, आप जब
your
पूछ रहे हो
voice,
तो आपकी आवाज गिरा जाती है.
What happened?
sir, your voice is very disturbing.
Maybe you put technical problem. Morning it was okay.
Sir, you wear the mic.
I will off and
Sir,
on.
we cannot hear.
Clearly.
Now, I will wait. See what's the difference.
Sir, your voice is not.
Hello, hello. Now clear, no? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. एकदम clear है.
I will put it here. Okay. So, clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
see,
sir.
I am
Now
writing the word meanings. So, this is a old story from Japan. And one old couple were living there. They were hardworking and honest. So at that time, there were daimyos. So daimyos were the rich, wealthy landlords. So the old couple had no children. They had a pet dog. They loved the dog as their own child. So what they were doing, the old man made a blue cushion with velvet cloths for the dog, light thin material of blue for the dog, and was giving it small pieces of fish every day. The dog also loved to eat boiled rice and fish. Okay, so tidbits means small pieces. Then the dog also enjoyed their company like being with a soul, means like a human child. It was not treated like an animal, it was treated like a human child. Clear? We will go to the next paragraph today. Okay, so next paragraph we will come to know about the man's profession. So he was a rice farmer. Written know this one?
No, sir. 1 second.
Just you see, it is a old story of Japan. An old couple were living in Japan. They were honest and hardworking. They had no children. They had a pet dog. They loved the pet dog like their own child. They fed the dog with small pieces of fish and boiled rice. And also, the old man made one blue cushion for the dog with thin material. The dog also loved them and also was living with them like a human child, not like an animal. So, being with a soul means like a human child. Clear? Clear? Shall we go to next paragraph? Okay, next paragraph I will start. Okay, so because you know, if you remain happily, some people cannot tolerate. This is the law of nature. Because your neighbors, if you are unhappy, many people are happy. If you are happy, they cannot tolerate. So this also will happen in this story. So every day, what was the profession of the old man? He was a rice farmer. So the old man, being a rice farmer, went daily with hoe and spade into the fields, working hard from morning until O Tensuma. O Tensuma means the sun god. O This is the Japanese language. The sun god is called O Tento Sama. Okay. So he was gone beyond the hill means the sun was setting. So the old man was a rice farmer. Early morning he was going and returning at sunrise. He was going to work, and at sunset he was returning home. Working hard from morning until O Tensoma had gone down behind the hills. Every day the dog followed him to work. So what happened? Every day the dog was also going to the field with the old man. Never once harming the white heron that walked in the footsteps of the old man. Heron, you know, long-legged birds. H-E-R-U-N, heron. Long-legged birds. Long-legged birds, herons are there. You will be seeing wherever there is water, no, near water, herons will be there. Their legs will be very long. They will be eating fish and moving here and there. Okay.
Sir, like swans.
No, not swan. Swan is fat and bulky. Not swan or
सर वो
dog.
भी तो पानी में रहता है उसको भी
Sir,
टांग
पानी में
नहीं
रहता है. But heron
like
is
crane.
crane type. Yes, crane type.
like kingfisher.
Kingfisher's beak is very long, but leg is not very long. Like crane only. You are correct, like crane only. Okay. So, white heron that I walked in the footsteps of the old man to pick up the worms. So, worm is the food of the white heron. Eats worms. So, the dog was following the old man. The herons also following the old man to eat the worms. But the dog was never harming the herons. So it was a good dog, non-violent dog. Not violent, not biting anybody. For the old fellow was patient and kind to everything that had life. Old fellow means the old man. Old fellow is the old man. So the old man valued everybody, was kind to everybody, and he was thinking whoever has life, who should respect and give dignity. So he was kind to all the living beings and kind to everything that had life, and often turned up a sword on purpose to give food to the birds. Turned up the sword means digging up the tuft. Tuft means grass. On the surface, grass is there, so sometimes you are digging up. So the herons also will eat the worms. The worms may be hiding under the grass. So when they were going, the old man was covering it with the grass so that the heron also will get its food. So the old man was kind to everybody. The dog followed the old man. Some herons also followed. The dog was never harming the herons. The herons were following the old man to eat once. So this is about the sod means to cover with tuft. SOD sod. Write down. To cover with tuft. Tuft means grass.
Sir,
Yes.
sword means
To cover with.
turn to tuft.
Yes, that is understood. But here no, sod means cover. Because he, while going, the old man was kind to all and doing like this. Okay. One day the dog came running to him, putting his paw against his legs and motioning with his head to some spot behind. Motioning means directing. So it was happening every day. The old man was going to the field and the dog was following. So one day what happened? Something unusual happened. The dog came running to him, putting his paws against his leg. Paw means his front legs. He was putting on the old man and motioning with his head to some spot behind. Motioning means directing. Motioning. MOTOIONING. Directing. So motion means direction. Motioning means directing. So the dog was directing towards some spot. So one day what happened? Something unusual happened. What was the unusual thing? The dog came to the old man and pointed out towards something. Okay. The old man at first, though his pet was only playing and did not mind it, but the dog kept on whinnying and running to and fro for some minutes. So the old man thought it is the dog must be playing. It is a play of the dog. But the dog went on whinnying. Whinnying means moaning, making crying noise. Whinnying. MOANING. Moaning or making crying noise. Okay. Whinnying. So the dog kept on troubling the old man. At first the old man thought that the dog must be playing, but the dog did not rest. Again and again it is putting its paw on the old man and moaning bitterly, crying, making crying noise. Means it wanted to tell something to the old man. Okay, it wanted to tell something to the old man. The old man, but the dog went on whinnying and running to and fro. To and fro is a phrase. Here and there. To and fro meaning suppose you will make one sentence with to and fro. Can you make to and fro meaning here and there?
Why are you moving? Why are you moving to and fro?
Very good, very good. Why are you
The
moving to and fro?
messengers move to and fro.
The dogs are moving to and fro unnecessarily. So this is the phrase. So to and fro means here and there. So the old man also followed running. The dog was running here and there for some minutes. The old man followed the dog a few yards to a place where an animal began a lively scratching. Scratching means digging with the scratching, rubbing with the nail, scratching. So the dog started to scratch in the ground, digging up.
Digging the ground with the nails.
So yes, to show something. Withering. Withering means with scratching, rubbing with nails. Scratching is the word for it. Okay. So the dog started scratching there, means it wanted to show something to the old man. Thinking it was possibly a buried bone or a bit of fish. So the old man thought it must be some fish or bone, because dogs are generally fond of fish and bones. So the dog must be digging in order to show him some bone or fish, the old man thought. And the old man struck his hoe in the ground. Hoe means his digging instrument. He struck in the ground. And what happened? He got a lot of gold. Low means surprise. Low, L-O. Symbol of surprise. So the old man struck with his digging instrument, and what did he got? He got a bundle of gold, all gold, pure gold, which gleamed. Gleamed means shone before him. Gleamed. Shone or glittered. Shone or glittered. Okay. So the dog troubled the old man. The old man wanted to know the reason. So it struck the place with his hoe. And what did he got? He got a pile of gold. All gold is shining. Okay. Any doubt is there?
Sir, sir, please repeat what the old man got.
He got a pile of gold. P-I-L-E. Pile means heap of gold. Heap of gold.
Okay, sir.
P-I-L-E or a heap of gold.
Mound.
Mound of gold. Yes. Who told mound? Mound is a gold, better word. Pile of gold.
Utkarsh.
Very good, very good. Heap of gold, mound of gold. All are having same meaning. All three are having same meaning. So the old man listened to the dog. Where the dog was scratching, it went and started digging up. He got a pile of gold, or he got a heap of gold, or he got a mound of gold. Clear? Now
Sir, it is like a semicircle, na?
huh?
It is like a semicircle.
Maybe we don't know. If we read the story, we will come to know. Then you see next page. You see 57 page. Thus, in an hour, the old couple were made rich, because you know gold is very costly metal. So the old couple became rich because of the gold. Okay. So the old man and his wife were not so rich, but after getting gold, page number 57, you see, thus in this hour. Thus means in this way. Thus is in this way. So in this way, what happened? The old man and his wife became very rich. The good souls bought a piece of land, made a feast of all their friends, and gave plentiful to their neighbors. Plentiful means sufficient. Plentiful. Sufficiently. Plentiful. Okay. So they made a feast and invited all the people, and they entertained the people with good food. They were good people. So they wanted the happiness should be shared by all. As for the dog, they petted him till nearly smothered him with kindness. Smothered means he filled him with kindness. Filled. Because their love for the dog became more. Because the dog made them rich. Okay. they loved the dog, but due to this incident, what happened? Their love for the dog became double. Okay, you can say the love for the dog became double. Okay,
The love is double
yes,
for the dog.
yes, because the dog made them rich. So now in the same village there lived a wicked old man and his wife. So you see, all people are not good. In the same village, there was another old man, but he was not good and kind. He was wicked, like villain. Like villain, he was wicked and not a bit sensitive and kind. Sensitive means they did not think of others. They were selfish. So in the same village, there lived another old man and his wife. They were very cruel, selfish, and greedy. Okay, not a bit sensitive and kind, who had always kicked and scolded all dogs. So what happened? Some people are there without any reason. They will beat the dogs without any reason. They will put injury to the animals. They are very cruel. So the wicked old man and his wife was also like that. They scolded all dogs whenever they passed their house. Hearing of their neighbor's good luck, they coaxed the dog into their garden. Coaxed means persuaded, enticed. Coaxed. Coaxed. It is given in the textbook. What meaning? Enticed.
Yes, sir, it is given.
Written. So means showing some something. They call the dog, so that the dog will come and they can tell the dog, you also show us gold. How you showed that man gold, you also showed us. Okay. Hearing of their neighbor's good luck, they coaxed the dog into the garden and set before him bits of fish and other dainties. So dainties are tasty food. Okay. They wanted to make the dog happy. So what they did, they brought the dog, they called the dog to their house and offered it very delicious food. So they thought, if we give some food, the dog will obey us and it will take us to the jungle and scratch. There we can discover a lot of gold and we also become happy and rich. That was their idea. With this idea, what they did, they called the dog and offered it food and wanted to get the gold.
सर
Yes.
सर मुझे एक बात समझ में नहीं आई, तो उस कुत्ते को कैसे मालूम था कि वहां पर गोल्ड है और उसने अपने मालिक के लिए गोल्ड ले आया?
We don't know. This is not a scientific story. ये imaginary story है. ठीक है? The writer can imagine many things, ना? We don't know whether it is true or untrue, but we are reading it.
Sir,
Okay.
the poem is also sensible.
Yes, no. The purpose is to teach a moral. स्टोरी का पर्पज क्या होता है? एक मोरल सिखाना है लोगों को, अच्छा लेसन देना है. स्टोरी में भी इमेजिनरी, स्टोरी रियल बोल के कोई प्रूफ नहीं है. इट वाज ए स्टोरी विच इज देयर टू टीच एज ए मोरल लेसन. हमको एक सब लेसन सिखाना है. आप ऐसा कीजिए, अच्छा है. To teach a moral lesson to the people. Stories are told. We cannot say how the dog knew. We don't know. How can we prove? This is not science. In science, what happens? You will take some oxygen, you will take some hydrogen, you will mix. No, it will be water. Hey, in science, hydrogen and oxygen you will take in a glass jar. It will be water. But it is not science. It is literature. So it may be imaginary also, who knows? Okay, so the old couple, the old wicked man and his wife, they also called the dog and offered him many tasty things to eat. Why? Because the thought, if the dog is happy, it will call us and we will also get a lot of gold.
Utkarsh.
Hoping that he would find treasure for them. But the dog, being afraid of the cruel pair, would neither eat nor move. The dog knew that they are all cruel people. So the dog neither moved nor helped them. Okay. So the old couple's plan to entice the dog failed. Why? The dog did not respond. The dog understood that they are all cruel people. I should not get directed by them. Clear? Any doubt is there? No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Then they dragged him out of doors. Who?
Sir?
The dog.
No doubt, sir.
Sir,
No doubt, sir.
so what
Taking a
is the
spade
meaning
and
of
hoe with
coaxed?
them. So
No
dragged
doubt,
means
sir.
took by force. But they were forceful people. They did not listen the dog. What did they do? They took the dog by force, taking a spade and hoe with them. No sooner had the dog got near a pine tree. No sooner means as soon as. No sooner as soon as. So what they did, they took the dog by force and they took a spade and hoe with them. So as soon as the dog reached the pine tree growing in the garden, then he began to paw and scratch the ground as if a mighty treasure lay beneath. Mighty means great. Okay.
Sir, what is the meaning of coaxed?
What is it? Coax. Coax means already persuaded. Means कुछ प्रलोभन दिखा के बुलाना, कुछ लोभ दिखा के बुलाना उसको. That is called coaxing.
सर लालच दे के बुलाना.
Enticing.
Yes, sir.
Enticing means showing something. जैसे कुत्ता को आह बोल के बुलाते हैं, मटन या चिकन पकड़ के, तो कुत्ता दौड़ के आ जाएगा. So they prepared some tasty food and called the dog, but the dog did not come.
जैसे अगर हम डॉगीज को अगर हम बोन दिखाएंगे तो सर वो अपनी
Yes,
तरफ
yes.
चले आएंगे.
Yes, but the dog knew that they are all cruel people, so it did not listen to them. So they forced the dog now, dragged it by force, and brought it under the pine tree. When the dog went there, it started scratching the ground. They thought that they will get a great treasure. Treasure means hidden wealth. Treasure. TREA. Treasure is
सर खजाना.
सर खजाना.
what happened?
Sir, in Hindi we call treasure as khazana.
Khazana. Yes. Hidden wealth in English.
Hidden money.
Hidden wealth in English. So they thought the dog is scratching in the ground means some hidden wealth now they will get. Okay. As if a mighty treasure lay beneath. Beneath means under the ground. So the dog started dragging scratching the ground under the pine tree. The old couple, the wicked old couple thought that there is a treasury and they will become very rich very soon. Clear?
सर
Yes.
सर वो जब उसने डॉग को पता चल गया था कि ये लोग ग्रीडी हैं,
So the dog wanted to teach them a lesson. तो कुत्ता उनको एक
तो
खबर सिखा
सर, ये ऐसा करता ना डॉग, तो डॉग वहां से चले जाता.
but we cannot.
सर कैन आई.
Yes.
सर वो उन्हें सड़ी हुई कोई चीज की बदबू सुंघा देगा जिससे उन्हें ही समझ आ जाएगा खजाने की जगह वो उन्हें सड़ी हुई चीज दे देगा.
Yes. No, that only the dog will do.
तो सर उसके बाद उसने तो उन्हें लेसन सिखा दिया, पर उसके बाद तो उसे मरना ही है ना.
मार दे, they kill the dog.
फिर वो उसे मार के वहीं पे मार देंगे.
जानी गई तो फिर लेसन
But
सिखा
dog,
दिया.
no, dog का तो शरीर को मार दिए मगर आत्मा को मार नहीं पाए.
तो सर आत्मा को तो कोई भी नहीं मार सकता.
कोई भी मार नहीं सकता. तो okay, what happened? The spirit of the dog helped the old man and his wife in dream. In dream, the spirit of the dog showed them everything. and helped them. Okay. So the dog started scratching the ground. They thought they are getting a big treasure. Quick, wife, hand me the spade and hoe, cried the greedy old fool as he danced with joy. The old man told, the old wicked fellow told, okay, wife, bring the spade and hoe. Now we will get some treasure immediately. He danced with joy. Okay. So up to this we will read today. Any doubt is there, we will discuss from the beginning.
No doubt, sir.
So who are the Deimos? Who can tell?
Wealthy landowners. Landowners.
The wealthy
Wealthy landowners.
Wealthy landowners of the Japan are known as Daimon.
So, one. Then, how were the old couple? They were honest and hardworking. Suppose a question will come.
Hardworking and
Honest.
Because they help everyone, and the old man goes every day to the farm and work hardly. This
Hey,
shows
no, see,
that
in
the
your
old
own
couple
language,
is hardworking.
no, in your own language, you try to reply. Okay, in your own language, not from the book. So, why they loved the dog so much?
they loved the dog so much.
They love the dog
No
so
child.
much
They
because
love
they
the dog so much
child
because they don't have
The dog has given them a treasure.
They had no child. Because they had no child, they loved the dog so much. What was the name given to the dog?
Muko.
Muko was the name given to the dog. What they were giving the dog to eat?
Boiled rice and pieces of fish.
Boiled rice and fish.
Rice, boiled rice and fish.
Yes. How the dog loved them? It loved them like its own parents. It is an animal, but it thought that these are my parents. The old man and his wife are my parents. He thought. Okay, what was the profession of the old man?
Farming.
Rice
Sir,
farmer.
farming.
Yes,
Rice farming.
he was a rice farmer. So what do you mean by O Tentosama? O
Sun
Tentosama.
god.
Sun god.
Sun god.
Sun god.
Sun god in Japanese language. In Japanese language, sun god is named as O Tentosama. Okay. So, how can you know the old man was patient and kind?
The
How
old
can you
man
say-
is kind because उन्होंने कभी कुत्ते को कभी हार्म नहीं पहुंचाया.
He did not harm anybody, and sometimes he was turning up tuft to purpose to give food to the birds. So he regarded everybody very kindly. He
Because it
treated
cares
very
of
kindly.
everyone's life.
Yes, he treated the birds also with utmost love and respect. He respected life. So you can say that the old man was a kind person. Okay. What happened one day? One day the dog
One day the dog go
One
to
day the
the
dog-
neighbor's house and
Given the old man a treasure.
Yes, he was putting his paw on the old man and whinnying. Whinnying means barking also, you can tell. And running to and fro. So what did the old man got? He got a
the pieces of gold.
Pieces
Pile
of
of gold.
pure gold.
Pile of gold. Pieces of gold.
Pieces of gold.
Mounds of gold.
he got a pile of gold or mound of gold.
Pound of gold.
Heap
Gleamed
of
means
gold.
what is
Heap
the
of gold.
meaning of gleamed? GLEAMED.
Glittering.
Shone
Glittering.
glittering.
Showing or glittering.
Very good.
Flowing out
Glittering.
glittering.
Okay, shining brightly, you can tell. Okay, so up to this much we will read today and we will continue tomorrow. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye. So what exam is there? So how was your exam today? Nice.
Nice.
Sir, nice.
सर आई हैव डाउट सर आई हैव डाउट
Very nice. Okay, 40 out of 40. Hiral. 40 out
sir.
of 40 आएगा.
Yes, sir. आएगा.
38 above.
सर आई हैव
You will get. Only Hiral will get. Others, can you get 40 out of 40?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir. 40 out of 40.
Also very nice.
यस सर 40 आफ्टर 40
Very nice.
सर मेरे 35
40 out of 40.
Okay, very nice.
सर वो जो पॉइंट आउट द एरर वाला था उसमें मेरे को एक में डाउट है।
यस सर मेरा भी वही गलत होगा पॉइंट आउट था एरर
यस सर मेरा भी वो वाला गलत होगा।
Okay, question was
5
good.
नंबर
No?
तो ऐसे ही जाएंगे
Okay, okay. Okay, children, tomorrow we'll continue.
पेपर से सर आप पेपर को एक्सटेंड कर दोगे वापस
आज देखो Probin did not appear today exam. Vaibhav has not appeared. Divyanshi has not appeared. All others are present.
सर
और ए सेक्शन का एक है बच्चा नितिन है. He did not appear.
सर
हाँ.
सर आप पेपर सबमिट कब करेंगे वापस रिटर्न कब करेंगे चेक करके
Okay, we will do revision one day after correction. We will do.
सर
I have yes.
सर सर जो 16th क्वेश्चन था जिसमें हमें एक मैसेज लिखना था
हाँ हाँ.
सर पर उसका एग्जांपल आपने दे रखा था कि ऐसे लिख सकते हैं
हाँ.
सर आपने बोला था मैसेज लिखने को पर सर एग्जांपल तो एक कन्वर्सेशन का था
तो
नहीं,
कन्वर्सेशन के
conversation
ऊपर
सुनो।
मैसेज बनाना था।
Two people are talking. उनका बात सुन के आप दूसरों के लिए मैसेज लिखेंगे. I told you in revision. Two
Yes,
people
sir.
are talking.
You have
उनका
given the
बात सुन के
example.
आप- yes.
Sir, you have also given an example.
Example I had given and in Google Classroom also I sent because you will have no doubt. But message was simple. ज़्यादा नहीं लिखना है उसमें.
what we have
Yes, sir. Very simple.
written
Sir, message were very simple.
I will give 5 marks. Those
we
who
write a
correct.
message और a conversation
Yes, yes.
We have to write a message.
Message only. Message only. Okay.
Sir, और हमें बॉक्स भी बनाना था.
Okay. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you.